$15,000, $15,100, $15,200, $15,300.
Mr. Chin!
Oh, my friend, how you do today?
Good man. Good. Tell me something. You don't have any of the blue pill.
You want a love pill? No, all sold out. Your friend buy all pill yesterday.
Alright.
Hey, I overheard you asking for Viagra.
So, you did hear me?
Yes, man. Me have some myself.
How much you sell them for?
$600 for one.
Oh, nice. Make me have 5.
Nice. $3,600. You put an extra one in it for you.
So, Doc, what is the diagnosis?
There is absolutely nothing at all wrong with you.
What? But the girl know I don't get a direction and I take 2 of them one time. So there is something wrong with me.
Look, Mr. Barry, you are as healthy as a horse.
Then why it never worked then?
You have any more of those pills?
Oh, yes, Doc. Here.
Well, they look like the real thing. I see what your problem is. These are just ordinary mints.
What you say?
Breath fresheners.
That is why the mouth smells so sweet.
You see how some of we can stupid? You can't buy drugs and medication from anybody on the street. Go to a doctor. Get a prescription and take it to a registered pharmacist. Don't put yourself in a position that could endanger your life. Be sensible. Be smart. Use your head. Don't be scammed.